Hello kids. So curiosity is the mother of invention. We all use notebook of some pioneer company or maybe good boy, whatever book you are using, and the book looks something which is being displayed on the screen. Now, as I have already said, that curiosity is the mother of invention. So if you feel like how this can be made or how the printing paper works, now that's another scenario that large scale productions of these papers are made with dot matrix printer, laserjet printer, and something like it's a different stuff. I'll be in this particular video, so I won't be able to make it a elongated one. That's a restriction of YouTube. I'll be guiding you on how to this sample paper which is being shown on in front of you, how to make it on your own. So let me just move into Word. So as you can already see that here is a paper and there are some. So what are rows? These are rows. Rows means run. We run along horizontal, and vertical means column. So we are having some rows. So what I will be doing is that I will be inserting a table. So let me quickly insert a table. So it will be having only one column. Fine. Now let's keep on pressing a tab. So whenever I am pressing tab, now let's move this table a little bit downward. Fine. Let's make room for some something for the header. So what I will be doing is that we will be going to the insert section and then we will be drawing a line. So shapes, here is a shape of it. Let me draw a shape. So I will be pressing down the shift key. So what the necessity of the shift key is that the line will be straight. Now that's a nice looking line, but the problem is it's a single line. Let me make the width maybe height. Okay, fine. So there are in this format section there are some shape outline. So maybe weight, the weight maybe might be 3 point. Fine. And then we will be applying some color, maybe red one. Yeah, fine. No, it's not looking nice. Fine. So let me again go to the section shape outline, and weight is 3 point. Very good. So maybe I'll be making it as this kind of dashes, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now let's go to the insert section and insert a shape, something like this one, and let's insert it in here. So we'll be having here some text inside of it. So what I'll be doing is that in the format table we'll be clicking on this add text, and that's a big cursor. So we'll be going to the home section, and from 130 I'll be making it a simple of maybe 9. Fine. So let's write here name, give some underscore to it. Fine. Add some class or maybe page number. Fine. So now we are having a nice looking kind of paper. Now if you are having a color printer, maybe we can change the color of this particular. Here I will be clicking on this, and here we are having border and shading. From here I will be applying some color to it. So maybe the color will be a red one. As a kid, when I grew up, I got a copy of Pioneer of some Pioneer paper, and those were in red. So now that's a very good. Now let's click on the last cell and press some tabs. Let's click on pressing tab. Fine. So what we will be doing is that I will be pressing a backspace. No, it's not working. So I will be pressing Ctrl G and then page /2. Okay. So page will I need to delete this particular page. So what I'll be doing is that yeah, fine. So here we are having one page. So we need to duplicate this particular page. So what I'll be doing is that we need to duplicate this particular page. So there is no need to duplicate also. You can just print it along. So here's a nice looking table, and if you can just make the table a little bit bigger. Yeah, maybe yeah, adjust the border and make some more room for the paper to be for the writing area. Let's move the border in here. Now we are having a nice looking page. So now what the last thing which I will be doing is that I will be applying a border to it. So I will be going to the insert again. I will be going to the shape, and I will be drawing a line. Now, as I have already mentioned, that if I, while clicking and dragging, pressing the shift key, it will make the line straight. So let's see, it's still it will be going a little bit yeah, let's press shift key. Fine. So this shape outline, let's go to the shape outline section, dashes, weight, okay, fine. So arrows, maybe dashes, this one, yeah, fine. So that's pretty much about it. Now all I need to do is that let me make the screen a little bit smaller. We are having nice looking paper. We'll be pressing Ctrl P from our keyboard. Ctrl P is for the printer. Now I am not having printer attached to this particular computer, so you need to select the particular computer and you need to just number of copies. So a Pioneer company comes with a 230 pages. So we'll be simply pressing here 230. Fine. And then select the printer and then click on OK, and we'll be having some papers. Now before ending the video, I'll again like to draw your attention to the fact that curiosity is the mother of invention. So we are all using notebook, and how was it made? That's a simple scenario. I'll be back again with some other video on some other topics on Python or maybe Java. For this video, that's all. Happy coding, guys, and keep smiling.